Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install this update, that is KB5078129 on your Windows 10 computer. Now for this you can open this website. The link is provided in the video description. This will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5078129, and then click on search. Now, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. For me, it's version 22H2. And then check your system type. So open Windows settings, go to system. Go to system and then go to about option. Scroll down, go to about option. And over here you will see your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, x64 base processor. Now for me it's Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. Now if you have Windows 10 21H2 x64, like Windows 10 version 21H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me Windows 10 version 22H2 x64. Now click on download over here and then click on this blue hyperlink and let the download complete. This will download the update. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction. So click on this file. Now click on, do you want to install the following Windows software update? Click on yes and let it complete. Once the installation is complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check, and this is how you can install this update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.